Hello friends, peace and blessings. In today's video tutorial, we will learn how to install Windows 10 on your PC using Windows 10 bootable USB drive. I have Lenovo ThinkPad Edge E530 laptop. I want to install the Windows 10 on my laptop PC. For this purpose, I use this Samsung USB which is made bootable using Rufus software. If you want to make a Windows 10 bootable USB, then watch my previous video. The link is in the description. First of all, plug the bootable USB drive into your laptop PC. Now power on your laptop and then hold function key and press F12 button several times. By doing this, you will be entered into the boot menu option. Select USB HDD SMI and hit enter. Now system is getting ready to install Windows 10. Friends, if this video helps you, please hit the thumbs up button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because it encourages us to make more useful videos. Here in this video it asks to enter your language and other preferences and click next to continue. By default the language is set to English United States, time and currency format is English United States, and the keyboard or input method is also US. Click on next. Here we have two options. Number one is install now and the second one is repair your computer. Since we want to install a fresh copy of Windows 10 on our system, therefore I choose install now. Here it says setup is starting. This is Windows activation window. Since I don't have a product key, so I click on I don't have a product key. Here you can see different operating systems. Since this video is for learning purpose, so I choose Windows 10 Home. Otherwise, I would suggest you to select Windows 10 Pro 64-bit. But for now, just select Windows 10 Home 64-bit and click on next. Here on this window, just click on I accept the license terms and then click on next. Here as you can see, we have two options. Number one is upgrade, which means install Windows and keep file setting and applications. The second option is custom, which means install Windows only advanced. Since I want to install a fresh copy of Windows 10 on my system, therefore I choose custom. Here in this window, you can see your drive partitions. Drive 0 partition 1, drive 0 partition 2, drive 0 partition 3. Since Windows 10 needs a large amount of hard disk space, therefore we select 20.7 GB partition, which is partition 2. Select this drive and click on format. Warning window appears here which says that this partition might contain important files or applications from your computer manufacturer. If you format this partition, any data stored on it will be lost. Make sure that you have backed up your important data and then click on OK. Now simply click on next and you can see that system has started copying Windows files. It may take several minutes to complete, and during this process your PC may restart several times. Sit back and relax. You may wait for it to automatically restart or just click on restart now. Here it says, let's start with the region. Is this right? Here United States is selected and now click on next. You may choose your own region. Here it asks, is this the right keyboard layout? You may change it according to your region. By default US is selected. Click on yes. Here it asks, want to add a second keyboard layout? Since I don't need a second keyboard layout, therefore I click on skip. Here it asks who is going to use this PC. Just write down your name and click on next. Now it says create a super memorable password. Enter a password you wish and click on next. Confirm your password. Now here are 3 security questions. Select the security questions and write down the answer below. And then click on next. Now here it says choose privacy setting for your device. If you are using laptop PC, then I recommend to turn off location feature to reduce battery usage. And now click accept. Here in this window which says do more across devices with activity history, for now I just click on no. Here it says let Cortana help you get things done, and for now I just click on not now. Now you are almost done. Sit back and relax. Congratulations friend, you have installed Windows 10 on your system. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.